Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we're diving into the realm of power and elegance, where rubber meets the road in the most exciting ways possible. Yep, we're talking about the 8 best sports sedans of 2023. Buckle up, because we're taking you on a ride you won't forget. Let's get rolling. Let's kick things off with a brand that screams sleek, reliable, and high performance. Introducing the Acura TLX Type S. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, isn't any trim of the TLX pretty good? Well, you're not wrong. But if you're a driving aficionado, the Type S is the way to go. This is like choosing between vanilla and triple fudge caramel ripple. Sure, both are ice cream, but one clearly has more zing. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 pumping out 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. So, not exactly a space shuttle, but hey, we're on a budget here. Don't let those numbers fool you though, because what the Type S lacks in sheer brute force, it more than compensates for with exceptional driving qualities. Imagine a ballerina who can also bench press 300 pounds. That's the Type S for you. The high-performance chassis bracing, 20-inch wheels, rear diffuser, and 4-piston Brembo brakes all scream, let's take this for a spin. But keep in mind, this car isn't out to be your plush lounge on wheels. It focuses on the driver's experience, and well, passengers are just along for the ride. So, if you ever wanted to channel your inner Formula One driver on a back road, the Acura TLX Type S might just be your ticket to a permanent grin. Next on our list, we have the sedan equivalent of the guy who brings high-quality, affordable wine to a party, the 2023 Mazda 3 Turbo Plus. It's classy, yet doesn't break the bank, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a good bargain? Now this car gives you options, 7 trim levels to be exact, but it's the Premium Plus Sedan Automatic AWD that we've got our eyes on. Housing a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, it churns out a decent 250 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Not enough to make your heart skip a beat, but enough to make daily commuting feel less like a chore and more like a joyride. With a combined 29 miles per gallon, it's also a rather thrifty choice for those of us who don't own an oil rig. But no car is perfect, folks. Some drivers might not vibe with its infotainment system or find the rear seats a bit too cozy for their liking. But let's focus on the positives, shall we? It's a sporty sedan that borderline feels like a luxury car without making your wallet scream for mercy. The Mazda 3 Turbo Plus, a car for the pragmatic thrill seeker in all of us. All right, let's switch gears and talk about the Dodge Charger, a car that practically defines American muscle. Now, the Charger comes in a variety of trim levels, but for the purpose of this video, let's focus on the Charger SRT Hellcat Re-Dye. The name alone sounds like something that would emerge from a fireworks display, and boy, does it live up to it. Under the hood of this behemoth lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, pumping out a jaw-dropping 797 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this car has enough power to pull the moon out of orbit. Okay, not really, but you get the point. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, which is staggering for a full-size sedan. But wait, there's more. With an interior that can comfortably seat 5 in a trunk, spacious enough for your road trip essentials, the Charger brings functionality to the realm of high-performance cars. It's like having your cake and eating it too, and then finding out the cake can also do your taxes. Yes, it's that good. However, with great power comes great fuel consumption. With a combined EPA rating of just 14 miles per gallon, this is not a car for the faint of wallet. But if you're looking for a car that combines muscle, functionality, and sheer excitement, the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Re-Dye is your go-to. Up next, let's talk about a car that brings luxury and performance together in a seamless blend, the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. If you're the kind of person who walks into a room and instantly commands attention, this is the car for you. Under the hood, the Blackwing houses a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 that spits out an impressive 472 horsepower and 445 lb-ft of torque. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. And for those of you who like options, it even offers a 6-speed manual transmission, a rarity in today's age of automatic everything. But this car isn't just about raw power. Inside, you'll find a sanctuary of luxury. From customizable ambient lighting to leather-trimmed microfiber seats that hug you like a long-lost friend, every inch screams opulence. The advanced infotainment system, complete with a 10-inch touchscreen, ensures that you're always connected and entertained. Let's not forget safety. Equipped with cutting-edge features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control, it's like having a personal bodyguard on the road. If you're looking to combine luxury with performance and are willing to shell out for it, the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing should be on your shortlist. After all, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Next on our list is the Audi RS3, a compact sedan that promises to challenge the definition of sporty in its class. Don't let the size fool you. This little car is a beast in sheep's clothing. Powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-5, it produces an astonishing 394 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. And with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, it launches you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. This compact can give some full-size sedans a run for their money. But what makes the RS3 truly special is its duality. On the outside, it's elegantly designed, exhibiting Audi's fine craftsmanship and attention to detail. The signature single-frame grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives it a presence that's hard to ignore. Yet on the inside, it's all business. From the intuitive cockpit layout to the sporty flat-bottom steering wheel, every design element echoes the car's performance-oriented nature. It's also incredibly practical for daily use. With comfortable seating for 5 and a decent-sized trunk, it's the kind of car you could easily drive to work every day. However, switch to the dynamic drive mode, and it's ready to unleash its full potential on the racetrack. Overall, the Audi RS3 is the embodiment of performance, practicality, and luxury, all rolled into one compact package. If you're looking for a versatile car that can excel in multiple arenas, the RS3 should be on your radar. Coming in at number 3 is the BMW M3, a car that has long been the benchmark for high-performance sedans. The latest iteration continues this storied tradition with an exhilarating blend of power, handling, and luxury. Under the hood lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 engine, capable of churning out an eye-watering 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque in the base model. If you opt for the competition model, those figures jump to 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to propel you from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The M3 offers rear-wheel drive as standard, but for those who crave more traction, an all-wheel drive option is also available. While the exterior has been a subject of debate among enthusiasts, thanks to its controversial grille, the interior leaves little room for criticism. It's a masterpiece of ergonomic design, adorned with premium materials and cutting-edge tech. The M3 comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch central display, ensuring you're well connected and entertained on the move. When it comes to driving dynamics, the M3 excels with a balanced chassis, precise steering, and phenomenal grip, making it a delight to drive whether you're on the highway or twisting back roads. And for those who still love the joy of rowing their own gears, rejoice. The M3 still offers a manual transmission option. In summary, the BMW M3 remains an icon in the sports sedan category. It's a thrilling, well-rounded package that can satisfy even the most discerning of drivers. If you're looking for the epitome of what a sporty, luxurious sedan should be, look no further. Nearing the top of our list is the scintillating Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Hailing from Italy, this car brings both passion and performance to the table in a way that only the Italians can. At the heart of this high-performance sedan is a Ferrari-derived 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that pumps out a whopping 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you read that correctly, Ferrari-derived. This means you're essentially getting supercar performance in a four-door sedan with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds. But the Giulia Quadrifoglio is not just about straight-line speed, it's a thoroughbred when it comes to handling as well. Its near-perfect weight distribution, sophisticated suspension system, and ultra-precise steering make for a driving experience that feels more like a finely tuned sports car than a traditional sedan. From an aesthetic point of view, the Giulia is pure poetry. It doesn't scream for attention, rather it captivates you with its elegant lines, aggressive front grille, and quad exhausts that emit a symphony of automotive music. The interior is equally mesmerizing, offering a cockpit that is both luxurious and driver-focused, featuring Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber finishes. In summary, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a sublime blend of performance, luxury, and Italian flair. It's the kind of car that not only makes a statement but backs it up with substance. Taking the top spot on our list is the 2023 Audi RS7, a car that truly represents the pinnacle of luxury sports sedans. Under its hood lies a 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an awe-inspiring 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Coupled with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS7 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an unbelievable 3.5 seconds. From a visual standpoint, the RS7 is simply stunning. Its sweeping lines, wide wheel arches, and menacing front grille give it an air of authority that's hard to match. The interior is a haven of luxury and tech, with high-quality materials such as Valcona leather and aluminum accents. Audi's MMI infotainment system, complete with a dual touchscreen setup, ensures that you're always connected and in control. One of the most endearing aspects of the RS7 is its versatility. With its adaptive air suspension and multiple drive modes, it can be a comfortable cruiser 1 minute and a track monster the next. Plus, unlike traditional high-performance sedans, it offers a hatchback design, providing more practicality when it comes to cargo space. In essence, the 2023 Audi RS7 is the ultimate package. It brings an unbeatable combination of performance, luxury, and practicality, setting a new benchmark in the high-performance sedan segment. If you're looking for the very best, your search ends here. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating ride through the world of high-performance sedans. We hope you enjoyed the journey as much as we did. Whether it's Italian flair or German engineering that catches your eye, there's something out there for every enthusiast. Until next time, drive safe and keep the passion alive.